Hi, for my instructional design project, I looked at the use of ebooks in the classroom. The three articles that I used were Teaching with Interactive Picture ebooks in grades K through 6 by Sugar et al. It's Time to Turn a Digital Page. Pre-service teachers explore ebooks reading by Larson. Ebooks and ebooks apps, consideration for beginning readers by Bates et al. In my first article, Sugar et al., the research found that interactive ebooks are reported as more engaging by students when assessed. But when assessed, students achieved higher comprehension scores from print text. One reason for this is that there is an excessive interactions on many interactive ebook apps. So these are meant to engage students, but students are becoming distracted while utilizing these different interactions. Teachers who use ebooks should model how to read an ebook and then demonstrate how to use the reading strategies students already know from print text while reading an ebook. When doing these two things, there's a greater success with comprehension when assessed. Sugar et al. Concluded that while ebooks are engaging, they would not recommend their use without a teacher's guidance and support, and they feel that ebooks have a great potential for classroom instruction, but are wary of their ability to increase comprehension skills without that teacher support and guidance. In the second article that I read, Larson conducted a study with pre-service teachers on the use of ebooks. The participants participated in a 9-week study where they read ebooks that students in grade 3 through 6 would read. They had discussions, they answered questions, and participated in different guided reading groups. The study found that 53% of the participants felt the ebook supported their comprehension of the text. 16 felt the ebooks hindered their comprehension due to all the excessive interactions, links, and such. They became distracted while reading. 31% felt that the ebook had no impact comprehension, that they understood as well as if they were reading it in print material and did not find a benefit or any type of harm from reading the ebook. Larson concluded that digital literacies, ebooks, can enhance and extend students' abilities to read and write for authentic purposes, but teachers pre and in service need effective instruction on how to integrate these digital literacies into their classroom. The final article I read by Bates et al. Reviewed reading behaviors and text leveling while examining the different digital features to be considered with guided reading and review different ebook applications. Ebooks offer teachers and students more options for choosing a book that is a good fit for them. A book that is both challenging and interesting. Ebooks allow classrooms with limited access to print books to expand their classroom libraries and offer a large number of texts. Teachers have more books to choose from for those small group instruction. Students are able to read the text in the small groups or independently within the classroom, as well as access to text from home to extend their learning. Bates et al. Cautioned that it is still important to review the ebooks and applications prior to assigning them to ensure the ebooks meet the instructional goals and needs of the students. The project that I designed was professional development instructing homeroom teachers and support staff how to access ebooks for the classroom use. The targeted audience was a K-5 elementary home school of homeroom teachers and support staff who engage with students in small group instruction in the area of reading. The purpose was to assist teachers with locating materials, support and enhance classroom instruction, and provide training to elementary homeroom teachers and support staff to help them access ebooks available for public library for their classroom use. The impact that these articles had on my professional practice is that I know how important it is for teachers and support staff to know how to use these ebooks properly in the classroom, from picking appropriate books to understanding and being aware of all the interactive tools that are available to their students, such as highlighters, notes, and links, and most importantly, modeling reading strategies for using ebooks appropriately. Ebooks applications provide teachers with a larger pool of books to choose from to meet the needs of their students. But careful consideration is still required when selecting text to utilize in these small group settings. Ebooks provide support for ESL learners, students, reading disabilities, and advanced readers. Students are able to record themselves and check fluency, and comprehension skills may be available. Thank you.